Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Been at the soccer fields this weekend and wanted to stop and make time today to get something posted for you this week. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, I would greatly appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button. This week I'm starting my fall decorating. I normally break it up into two videos, outdoor and indoor, so that the video's not too terribly long. The outdoor, I do my front door, my mailbox, and some fall flowers around the yard. But this week I'm going to do my fireplace, my dining room table, and then just my tiered trays, and then just some fall things I have around the house. So I hope this video will inspire you to break out a little fall decor and some pumpkins and enjoy your home until it's Christmas time.